What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone's flashlight is not working or is too dim. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we begin fixing the iPhone flashlight issue, you need to check your iPhone temperature. If it's too high, then you immediately need to keep your device somewhere cool so that the temperature returns back to normal. The reason for doing this is because Apple disables many features of an iPhone if it gets too hot or its temperature rises too high above the limit. In case the temperature of your device is not too high, then it's likely some software bug or glitch is causing your iPhone's flashlight not to work properly. If this is the case, then there's no need to worry, as random software bugs and glitches happen in all kinds of electronic devices, and Apple iPhones are not exception to this. To fix it, restart your device. To restart your iPhone, follow the following steps in quick succession. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and then tap and hold the power button until you see the drag to slide off screen. Proceed to turn off the device and then boot it back up again. After a successful restart, your iPhone flashlight will be working without any issues. However, if your flashlight is still not working properly, or if it's still dim after a restart, it could be that your flashlight's total brightness is set to a bare minimum in your control center. If this is the case, then open up your control center and hold the flashlight button. When the flashlight button gets expanded, you will see 4 different levels of your flashlight brightness. If it is set at level 1 or 2, then this could be the reason why the flashlight on your iPhone was not working properly. Proceed to set the brightness level at the maximum by sliding your finger along the total brightness level bar, and your iPhone flashlight will start working optimally. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.